Giraffe collects information to manage your account, track eligible gameplay, and deliver rewards, but the exact details are explained in its official privacy policy. By the end of this video, you'll know the main types of data Giraffe collects, why that information is needed, and how to review your privacy settings before using the app. The first category is account information. When you create a Giraffe account, the app needs basic details to identify your profile and connect your rewards to the correct user. This information is also used when you contact customer support or redeem eligible rewards through your account. The second category is gameplay information. Giraffe rewards users for installing eligible games and completing specific activities. To do that, the app records information about games installed through its platform, your gameplay progress, and your activity related to available reward offers. Without that tracking, the app wouldn't be able to determine whether you've completed an eligible task. Giraffe may also collect device and technical information. Like many Android apps, it can gather details such as your device model, operating system version, app version, and similar technical data. This information helps improve compatibility, diagnose crashes, maintain security, and resolve technical issues affecting different devices. Another category includes app usage information. This generally relates to how you interact with features inside Giraffe, such as navigating menus or using different sections of the app. Developers use this information to improve the user experience and identify areas that may need updates or performance improvements. If privacy is important to you, read the latest Giraffe privacy policy before creating an account. Privacy policies can change over time, so the current version is always more reliable than an older blog post, forum discussion, or YouTube video. You should also review every permission the app requests during installation and decide whether you're comfortable granting access. It's also worth checking your Android privacy settings. From your device settings, you can review app permissions, manage notifications, and control certain types of data access. Reviewing those settings regularly helps you understand what information your installed apps are allowed to use. The main takeaway is simple. Giraffe collects account information, gameplay data, device details, and app usage information to operate its rewards platform and improve the service. If you want the most accurate picture of how your data is handled, review the latest privacy policy and check your app permissions before using the app. That gives you a clear understanding of what information is collected and why. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Giraffe tips, app guides, and troubleshooting videos.